All right, guys, here's my video for problem 3B. I don't know why it's labeled 3B, but it is. Your 3B is very similar to this. Mine says, determine the volume of the cone below. Give an answer in terms of pi and an approximate answer to the tenths place. So you see my cone there, right? And I have this distance along here is 10. This is my height, it's x, and this radius is 6, and that's my right angle. All right, so now you know how to find the volume of the cone. It's the same formula as the previous, right? So we're going here with the cone, base, capital B, times height, all divided by 3. The base of the cone is a circle. So I'm using the circle formula, pi times radius squared times the height, all over 3. So now for me, my radius is 6, all right? Now, I don't know my height here, right? It's not given. The 10 is the hypotenuse. So I've got to use Pythagorean theorem to find x here. I'm calling it x. You call it whatever you want, hx. We got to use Pythagorean theorem here. All right, so I'm showing that to you down here, okay? So, all right, so here, sorry about that. So I'm showing it to you. Here's Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now remember, I'm finding the height of that cone. I'm calling it x. Maybe here, sorry, I call it b here, but I got 6 squared plus b squared equals 10 squared. That's my hypotenuse, right? And once again, you see the picture, there's the 10 for the hypotenuse. So now you just evaluate this. 6 squared means 6 times 6, which is 36, plus b squared equals 10 times 10, which is 100. Isolate the b, so I went minus 36 to both sides, so b squared is 64. Square root of both sides, so square root of b squared is b, square root of 64 is 8. So now I've got the height is 8, so now I can go back and I can find the volume of the cone, right? Here's the formula, there's the pi, there's the 6 for the radius, squared times the height that I just found is 8 all over 3. So now you use order of operations, 6 squared is 36, so I've got pi times 36 times 8 all over 3. Now when you leave it in terms of pi, right, your answer, my answer is 96 pi. All right, so you're gonna have one answer like that. Now when you go to the tenths position and I go ahead and I multiply my calculator 96 times pi, it comes out to be 301.44. So using the rules of rounding, I'm rounding to the tenths position. I look to the right. Since that number is less than 5, this stays the same. I drop the rest of zeros. So for me, my answer to the tenths position is 301.4. All right, guys, so be careful on that one. And remember, you're going to do the same thing as I did. You're going to have to find the height of your cone using the Pythagorean theorem, all right? Don't use this side here. That's your hypotenuse. That is not the height. All right, have a good one.